हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले वीडियो में हमने कंप्यूटर का इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट देखा, जिसमें हमने ह्यूमन वर्सेस कंप्यूटर, कंप्यूटर के टाइप्स और किन जगहों पे कंप्यूटर यूज किया जाता है ये देखा। आज की इस वीडियो में कंप्यूटर कैसे काम करता है ये हम सीखने जा रहे हैं। So if you all are ready, let's get started. Chapter 2: Working of a Computer and IPO Devices. How does a computer work? The computer system consists of three main units. 1. Input unit. 2. Processing unit. 3. Output unit. Confused? Let us now understand it with the help of an example. When we prepare tea, we follow three main steps: input, processing, output. Input: collect all the ingredients such as water, sugar, tea leaves, milk and a container. Processing: mix all the ingredients in the container. Put the container on the stove. Let it boil for some time. Output: the tea is prepared. Similarly, a computer follows that IPO cycle: input, processing, output. Input: the instruction given to the computer by us. Processing: working of the computer. Output: final result. IPO devices. Input devices. Devices that are used to enter data and instructions into the computer are called the input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to type letters and numbers on the screen. It has 104 keys on it. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point and select things on the monitor. Scanner. A scanner is a device that copies text or images into a computer. Scanners are many types like flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, etc. Processing device. The devices which are used to process data and information are the processing devices. CPU. CPU stands for the Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. Output devices. Devices that display the obtained result are called the output devices. Monitor. Monitor is used to display the text, pictures or videos. It is also known as Visual Display Unit, VDU. Printer. Printer is used to print the text and images. The printed copy is called the hard copy. There are many types of printers like dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Now let's solve some questions. Question number 1. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. 1. Input. 2. Process. 3. Output. 4. Monitor. 5. Printer. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given clues. 1. A computer can store a large amount of information. 2. Output devices are used to obtain the result. 3. CPU is a processing device. 4. The monitor is also known as VDU. 5. The three main functions of a computer are input, process, and output. Question number 3. Write true or false. 1. The speed of a CPU is measured in hertz. Answer: true. 2. CPU stands for Control Process Unit. Answer: false. 3. The data or instructions given to the computer is called input. Answer: true. 4. Scanner is an output device. Answer: false. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the three main units of a computer system? Answer: the three main units of a computer system are input, processing, and output. 2. Explain the IPO cycle. Answer: the IPO cycle stands for input, processing, and output. Input is like telling the computer what to do, processing is when it does the work, and output is what you see as a result. Three. Why is CPU called the brain of the computer? Answer: CPU is called the brain of the computer because it does all the thinking and calculations. 4. What is meant by processing? Answer: processing means when the computer does the work or calculations it needs to do. 5. What is a hard copy? Answer: a hard copy is a paper copy of something you have printed from the computer. Question number 5. Match the pictures with their category. Answer: 1.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.